In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a motion-based video using the powerful Higgsfield AI platform. Creating captivating video content can often seem overwhelming, but with the right tools and guidance, it's actually quite straightforward and fun. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But for those with a pre-existing account, simply click on the login button. For a smooth and streamlined process, I recommend using the Google login option. This method not only saves time, but also integrates seamlessly with your existing Google account, sparing you the trouble of remembering yet another password. After clicking the Google login, you'll be prompted to select your account. Simply choose the Google account you wish to use with Higgsfield AI, and the system will take care of the rest. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to video creation on Higgsfield AI. Now, to start creating a motion-based video, direct your attention to the top left corner of the dashboard. There you will see an option labeled Video. Click on it, and it will guide you to the video prompt section. The first thing the video prompt will ask you to do is upload an image or generate one if you prefer. Uploading an image that you already have means ensuring that the photo meets the criteria for your intended motion video. Make sure the image is clear and fits the theme you have in mind. If, on the other hand, you opt to generate an image, take full advantage of the platform's capabilities to create an original and eye-catching visual beginning for your video. Once you have your image ready, the next step is to type in your prompt. This is where you'll describe what kind of motion or animation you envision for your video. Be as detailed as possible in your description to give the AI a solid understanding of what you're aiming for. Whether you want your elements to move slowly for a relaxing effect, or you want them to be more fast-paced and dynamic, the prompt is your place to articulate this. After inputting your prompt, you're ready for the fun part, clicking the Generate button. This initiates the AI process that pulls together your vision into an actual video. Give it a few moments as it works its magic. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can create an impressive motion-based video that perfectly fits your needs. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make amazing videos with Higgsfield AI. Happy creating, and until next time.